Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI, and I have found the perfect stud earrings. They are from Giorgio Bergamo. Here they are in the blue and in the white. So they're cute little flowers, and the white almost looks like a snowflake, perfect for winter. They are such adorable earrings, and they're made of such high quality materials. So if you have any allergies or sensitivities to metal, you don't have to worry at all about these earrings because they're plated in 14 karat gold, which is incredible for this price point. So these earrings are so versatile. I feel like they give just a little bit of bling, but not too much. So you can definitely wear them more casually. You can also wear them to the office with a cute blouse, even wear them to a wedding, or I wore them with a dress and it looks super cute. I would recommend getting 2 pairs because I love the look when you pair them together. If you have 2 holes like I do, I think it looks super cute. As well, they look amazing on their own. They're such a classic look. As well, you can pair them with like your favorite hoop earrings, and they just go with everything. So they're really high quality earrings. I love the fact that the butterfly backing stays on so tight. You don't have to worry about it coming loose at all. I know you're gonna love these earrings. They come in 9 colors, so I think you should definitely treat yourself to a pair or 2. You will not regret it, and that's my point of view.